Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وَاذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ وَمِيثَاقَهُ الَّذِي وَأَثَقَكُمْ بِهِ إِذْ قُلْتُمْ سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ Inna Allah alimun bidhati sudur. Translation: And remember the favors of Allah upon you and His covenant by which He bound you with it when you said, "We heard and we obeyed," and fear Allah to be pious. Indeed, Allah is all knowing of what is in your hearts. In the second last ayah of Surah Baqarah, we studied that قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا غُفْرَانَكَ رَبَّنَا وَإِلَيْكَ الْمَصِيرُ. Translation: And they say, "We hear and we obey. Grant us your forgiveness, O our Rabb, and unto you we all will return as our final destination." So saying this, سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا, is a very strong covenant that every believer make with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Furthermore, when the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam used to make covenant or bayat on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's hand, they used to say that we will listen to you and act on your commandments if our hearts are wanting to do them, or even if our hearts are not wanting to do them, we will always follow your commandments. In Surah Al-Maeda also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned Awfu bil uqud, that complete or fulfill your covenants. And this is the character of a believer, that whenever a commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam comes in front of him, he follows the commandment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned so many favors in this surah, and a believer who has a pure heart will be bowing down in front of his Creator after realizing that he has given so many bounties, and he wants the bounties to be continued, and he has made this covenant with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that sami'na wa ta'ana, so his whole being is in compliance with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's orders. There is a chance also that shaitan may put some bad thoughts in the heart, and the one who is given so many favors by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may become arrogant and may start an unthankful attitude towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that wattaqullah, that always be pious and fearful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if the person has taqwa, he will never become arrogant. There is another chance that someone might think that I am showing off and doing all the good deeds, but in his heart there is lack of sincerity, so he can deceive the people in the world. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who knows everything what is in the hearts. Inna Allah alimun bidhati sudur. So this possibility is also abolished, that somebody is doing any act thinking that he may deceive the people of the world. But since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything in the hearts, he can never ever deceive Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among your thankful slaves who are full of taqwa. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.